Hello, loves. Okay, great to see you again. So today I'm going to share with you part 2 of how to get more email opens for your subject lines. Okay, are you ready? All right, here we go. So the first one, another tip is you can start your email subject line with, here's a shortcut to. Okay, some examples. Here's a shortcut to making a great infographic, or here's a shortcut to let your crush notice you. Or here's a shortcut to writing a good article. Why this works, it's because, of course, shortcuts, okay? In this day and age of instant gratification, people want it fast. And when you say shortcut, meaning you're giving them an immediate benefit. Example, they want to get the results as a faster time. So, of course, if you're giving them a shortcut, meaning they can achieve a certain thing or achieve a certain result in a shorter time, so that they don't have to waste their time. Okay. All right. So number 2, the biggest mistake blank make. So the blank here is the market that you want to serve. So for example, the biggest mistake people in their 20s make, the biggest mistake restaurant owners make, the biggest mistake Shopify owners make. So Shopify owners are usually e-com store owners. Okay, so they build through Shopify. All right, so why this thing works? It's because, of course, you don't want to make mistakes, right? Example, in your business or in professional, personal life. So as they say, you learn from other people's mistakes. So if they see this subject line, example, you are you have a restaurant, and if you see this line, the biggest mistake restaurant owners make, of course, I don't want to make the same mistake that he did, right? So you have you just have to open this email, because so that you have to avoid what you can do to avoid this kind of mistake. Okay. And number 3, the last one is how I. So you know what? This really works because you're giving them a personal glimpse of your the personal experience that you had. So, example, rags to riches, or how you from your struggles, how you overcome them. So you're giving them a sneak peek of how you were able to do from point A to point Z. Okay, so examples for usually for businesses, this is very effective. How I bounced back from bankruptcy, how I created my first million at the age of 32, for example. It depends here on what age you'd like to include. How I landed my dream job, this is very common. Okay, so this is very powerful because how I is not just interesting, but you get to be curious. So example, you are like a mentor or an influencer who started from scratch, how you were able to achieve the status that you have. So this is very good. You can always try this. Okay, so there you go, guys. I hope you learned something new again for today. So feel free to work on these subject lines. It depends on the niche, but usually these subject lines, this work well with any market or businesses you want to serve. Just change or tweak things a bit. Okay, so thank you again for watching this video. Please do like, comment, or subscribe to my channel, and I want it more to be interactive, so hit comment below on what you think of the videos or any other topics you want to know more about copywriting. Okay, so just I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye.